cleaning our boat.
Our what?
Our boat.
Say it ain't so.
I know, right?
What is up with the weekend wanderers now? Back on the water?
Back on the water.
So what did you pick up? This is kind of nice there. Cleaning up the
kitchen in our boat.
Yeah.
Yep, so we found a perfect boat to fit us.
Thank you, Artem. That's it.
Yep, he took care
Island
of this.
windows. Island window cleaning.
He loved this boat so much, and it shows. And so he took this old trusty boat, and took care of it.
Oh yeah, look at that in there.
It goes right in there.
Yeah, take a look at. Show you there. I'm all sweaty. Sorry about that. It's hot, so we just doing an upgraded dash. Look at that. Look at the instrumentation cluster.
Let's look at this.
Yeah, it's a Sea Ray Sundancer 240. So 24 feet plus.
Adhesive sealant in here, babe. Look.
Oh, okay.
Marine sealant.
Plus, it's got a little extended swim deck on there. This table drops down to a bed there. Seating. Cockpit.
A little ice cube.
So all we're doing today, we got it last night, so all we're doing today is just
Getting to know it.
You know, going through things, cleaning things up, throwing things out. I mean, it was really in great condition. So, but you know, still
we gotta love on it.
Gotta love on it. So, you guys will be seeing
wandering adventures.
Right, a lot more content. You know, we'll be wandering on the water, by land, by sea.
Well, we always love the water.
Yes, we always love the water.
That's
why we started on the water.
Jupiter. We live in a boat town in Florida, one of the major boat towns.
Exactly. Most people here
have boats.
So now we have the RV and the boat.
This is how we got started.
Yes, this is what we got started. We were in the boat club. Shout out to Jet Ride Boat Club, by the way. Jet Ride, you know, that that did us right.
So we knew what we wanted.
All right, so we had no idea, had no experience on the water. I mean, Kelly had been renting boats and things like that, you know, with her party crew nurses. You know, you got to watch out for the nurses on them boats, so it's get a little crazy. But yeah, so we did the boat club for 2 years, and it was nice because we were able to, hold on, a little hot there, so South Florida heat, but it's all good. It's good to sweat.
The club told you how, so you could feel comfortable.
Yeah, so we got really comfortable with the boat club because we were able to rent all these different kind of boats, from walk around fishing boats to deck boats like the Hurricanes or the you know, the cruisers. So you know, and probably had over about 100 hours in those 2 years. So we were out, so I got real familiar with, you know, the you know, boating and things like that, and what we really wanted. We wanted something that we could be comfortable, but you know, be able to, you know, if Kelly gets hot or cold or whatever and wants to lay down and take a nap, she's down in there cleaning up, that we could just pop around and relax. Plus, it's got a little bit of air conditioning down there. I don't have it running right now, so, but there is air conditioning down there. But yeah, we figured out what we like. Oh, be careful. Kelly almost fell. Like, oh, hold on a second. How do you almost fall? Like, you got
I didn't know there was a step.
Yeah, look at her. Don't be trying to sue.
I'll sue you.
So, yeah, so we thought we wanted to buy, we were going to get this, it was called a Sea-Doo Switch, which is a little pontoon jet boat made by Sea-Doo. We like pontoons because it's really comfortable sitting there and relaxing. We're not really going out deep sea fishing, things like that. So that's what we thought we were going to, get. And then, we realized that we wanted a little bit more comfort and a little bit more luxury. So we decided to look for something that met our needs, and luckily we came up with this. So, but stay tuned. Here, let's see what Kelly's finding, like all kind of treasures.
I know. The man who sold us this gave us so much extras.
Oh yes, say that again, Kel.
I said the man who sold us this, Artem, he left so much for us in the boat.
Right. Above and beyond.
Yes.
So we told him in 6 years where we'll be ready to buy his other boat that he just bought and that he's customizing nice. So we'll be ready for that.
We have a bathroom.
Yeah, even have a bathroom in there.
We don't need to show it to them, but
no, we're not showing the bathroom.
Everything.
Yeah, she's cleaning it, but we don't roll like that with the bathrooms, but. But we're so excited. I know we're just
grateful that we've got.
We're grateful. We're so grateful and blessed. When the Lord is making a way for you, and your blessings are coming in, and you just have to be grateful and stay faithful. So we will talk to you later. Time to keep cleaning up a little bit, but we should be on the water. By next week, in a couple days, get everything situated. But I just want to get to know everything in here. So, thanks for sticking around. Making wonders. Say bye, Kel.
Bye.
Bye.
Right here?
A little bit higher on this side. Go down, right? Down with the J. Down. Good. No, the J is higher. You gotta come down.
That's why it's good you use this, because you can move it.
J's gotta come down more.
Okay, hang on. Everything.
There we go. That's closer. See how?
Okay. Can you go like this?
Mm-hmm. Just like Disney.
What?
When we made the sign. You're the expert. All right. The reveal.
Let me just read this.
Where's the lighthouse?
It's in here. But
oh, you don't have to spray the lighthouse one. You just put it on.
At the end over there?
Right here.
I wish it was just the lighthouse and didn't say Jupiter.
Why? You can't really read the Jupiter.
I don't want that there. It looks cheesy. This is like, it's a boat, not a... If anything, we'll put it on the car window or whatever.
You can put it in your car.
I was trying to read the directions, but I don't have them. And now, what do? See instruction card. I lost it. Our maiden voyage. Our new beauty. Let's see how this first ocean pig.
It's Father's Day, and I probably one of the happiest fathers out there today. As you can see, we are just anchored up in the intercoastal here in Juneau.
No, not Juneau.
No.
North of Jupiter.
North of Jupiter, north of Tiger Beach, and across from Jonathan Dickinson Park. But we are on the boat. Yay! The boat, and look at this igloo. It is amazing.
Here, while you're moving, you can just let us get in there.
How we get excited. Mercedes and Michael are over there at the sandbar on their float.